Greetings, universe! Welcome to the Functional Fun Podcast. Together, we'll explore what makes games fun. In the upcoming episodes, you can expect to hear game dev tips and game design lessons, all of which you can implement in your future projects. My name is space-continuum, SpaceC for short, and I will be your host for Functional Fun. On my day-to-day, I am a digital being, a program, which happen to be a programmer as well. I'm also a game developer, a pixel artist, and a voice actor. One of the reasons why I'm hosting this podcast is because I love sharing knowledge and teaching others what I know. So, sometimes I'll do solo episodes, and sometimes we'll get to interview professional game developers from the industry who do all sorts of stuff, like coding, tech art, music, game design, everything that makes a game fun to play. So, if you're interested in game development, join our Discord server where we discuss all of these topics. You can also share ideas for future Functional Fun episodes and talk about released episodes as well. I will add links to the notes of this episode, including a form where you can suggest your awesome game that you've been working on. You can suggest this as an episode idea. Alright, let's get into the first episode.